I'm Becky Lansing. I'd like to give you a little of my experience of having total knee replacement. First and foremost, it's not easy. It requires patience. It requires a really good support system. And it requires consistent follow-up with a physical therapy provider. Secondly, it takes a great deal of personal commitment, daily rhythm, as it were. Once you get into that daily rhythm, you will find an increased mobility and endurance. You will find the ability to care more and more for your own needs. That's freedom. Thirdly, it takes a good dose of a sense of humor. My experience is that physical therapy, you are bent, you are twisted, you are tested to the nth degree. Staying focused but laughing through the experience is really paramount. It's very, very important. The other thing I'd like to share is my experience with the staff here at Physical Therapy Solutions. It's always best to take your primary physical therapist's advice. I did find, however, on many occasions that having other people who work here at the facility, both staff and office members, made it very, very easy for me. Everyone had their own perspective, which certainly added to the total overall comprehensive care that I received. To me, they really are family. Physical Therapy Solutions, together with some of the things I just happened to mention, made a difference for me. Made a big difference for me. I think they will make a difference for you too. Please remember Physical Therapy Solutions, your movement specialist. Well, time to get back to my routine. Have a great day, everyone.